Hey guys, this is Mani Chopra here at the Wokingham site. I'll do a very quick whiz around for a couple of the flats because I just wanted to show you a couple of things here. So essentially what the plan here is in terms of the construction is they're doing the first fix electrics. So going back a step, first fix drainage, i.e. all the water drainage and the toilets and everything has been completed for the entire site. That was the first thing they did. After the dry lining was finished. Now they're doing the first fix electrics throughout the site. And again, it's a top-down approach. So they've started the top second floor flat. Here they're finishing up the first fix electrics in all the apartments, which is almost there, I think, bar one apartment here. And then once the first fix electrics is done, what they're then going to do is start plastering, or sort of at the moment, in some of the flats on the first floor, they're starting the preparation for the plastering work. Now, the reason why they haven't started the plastering is because they're waiting for confirmation from building control about the tape and joint. So, because on top of these flats here, there is the two new flats in the roof space. And what separates them is timber joists. So, because of the fact that it's timber, they have to have a very stringent and tight fire strategy. So, the way it works is in between the floors, there is sound insulation, there's fire insulation, and in some of the flats there's also helios, which you can see here, which has already been installed. But the fire officer was very adamant that in between the joints of the plasterboard, they wanted tape and joint being done to have a very tight fire strategy, so there's no fire can escape between floors if, for example, you have fire here or the floor above. So they have been very, very specific with that, and that's what they're currently doing. Once they get the approval from the building control that that's okay, then they will start plastering on the flat stand on the first floor. So here, I just wanted to quickly show you the first fix electrics is all literally been completed. The walls at the back, you can see there was wallpaper, and those are being stripped out manually in preparation for the plastering. And as you go around, you can see literally all the the first fix sockets are all here in place. Just a quick whiz around in the bedroom here. This is the flat we're in, which is the one bedroom flat, which we're hoping could be the show flat going forward. Let's go and see the other apartment across here. So this is flat 3. Here, if you come in, you can see similar sort of thing. The tape and joint has been completed, waiting for confirmation from building control, and prep work has started for the plastering. The windows are expected to be completed this week. So at the back of the site and the site, we've got uPVC windows, which are almost installed actually. So I may show you some of one window that's been installed further. And then we're still waiting on delivery of the front windows, which is facing the Broad Street, which is obviously where you're going for the aluminium brown windows. And here you've got the uPVC white ones. So all the uPVC white windows are going to be completed this week. Plastering is going to start. So just let me quickly show you what else I can show you that's going to be of interest to you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So more to follow on from the Wokingham site each and every week. Do like, follow and subscribe us to get more educational and property content. And do look at our website, teamchatons.co.uk, for our next event, which is our 8th birthday celebration on the 9th of May. And we've got a funding special. So do click on the website to have a look and see how you can get your tickets. Thank you for listening and watching.